What are the little ones? Maybe they're wrens.
I don't know, but whatever they are, they're adorable.
The big one is might be a starling. See the one with the blue head?
Yeah.
I don't know exactly. You have a bird book, don't you?
No, doubt it.
Yeah, I think
only
you
cats.
do or we do.
Only
No,
cats.
no,
It's all cats.
we have a bird book somewhere.
Probably yours. They're so cute.
Might be downstairs.
I don't want to get out and scare them away.
Yeah, but I've got to open the garage door too. That'll be noisy. They'll settle again. Come on out and...
No! You scared them all! Look
They'll come back.
what you did!
They'll come back.
You're going to hell.
Hi.
Hi. Meow.
Sweetie.
You're
Come
evil.
in. I have to cook.
You're evil.
Yeah.
She's evil, guys. So evil. Look at that face.
We were given food today.
Mom, turn around. Mom, look at the camera. Look at that face.
Yeah,
That smiling evil face.